प्रौढशाला संस्कृतव्याकरणकक्षायां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति प्रयोगाः. We will be studying an interesting topic called prayogas. What are these prayogas? These prayogas are nothing but what we call as active voice, passive voice in English. The first lesson will be an introductory chapter in Prayoga. We call it Prayoga Parichaya. Basically, we will be learning Kartru Karma Kriya. So at the end of this lesson, we will be learning parts of a sentence, definition and usage of Kartru Padam, Karma Padam and Kriya Padam. So we are analyzing the parts of a sentence. Kartru Padam is a part of a sentence. Now in the word Kartru Padam, we have the word Karta. So Yaha Karyam Karoti Saha Karta. Kartru Suchakam Padam Kartru Padam. One who does the action, he is called as the karta. The word which indicates the doer of the action is called kartrupadam. Let us take the example Kumbhakaraha Ghatan Karoti. In this example, the act of making the pots is being done by the Kumbhakara and hence he is the karta. Atra Kumbhakaraha eva karta. Saha eva ghatasya nirmanam karoti. Ataha Kumbhakaraha karta bhavati. Kumbhakaraha kartrupadam bhavati. Kumbhakaraha iti padam asmin vakye kartrupadam bhavati. Dvitiyam vishayam karma padam vartate. The second part in a sentence is karma padam. Karma vachakam padam karma padam. The word which denotes the object is karma pada. How to identify a karma pada? We have briefly studied this in the Vibhakti chapter. We will again study this. Kartrupada sahitam kriya padam uddishya kam kam kim iti prashna karanena yat padam Uttaram Ditiyantam Labhyate Tat Padam Karma iti Uchyate. What is the meaning of this sentence? When we ask the question to the Kriyapada along with the Kartrupada Sahitam Kriyapadam Uddishya. When the Kriyapada is questioned along with the Kartrupada, using the words kam, kam and kim, if we get an answer in Dvitiya Vibhakti, that answer which we get in Dvitiya Vibhakti is indicated as Karma Padam. Let us understand this once again. Kartrupada sahitam kriyapadam uddishya kam kam kim iti prashna karanena yat padam uttaram dvitiyantam labhyate tat padam karma iti uchyate. When a kriyapada is questioned along with the kartrupada, the dvitiya vibhakti word which is obtained as an answer to the question is generally indicated as karmapada. What are the question words that we use? Kam, kam, kim. Kumbhakaraha ghatam karoti. Ghatam. Kumbhakaraha kim karoti. Kumbhakaraha ghatam karoti. Kumbhakaraha kim karoti. Kartrupada sahitam kriyapadam uddishya prashnaha asmabhihi karaniyah. Katham karaniyah? Kumbhakaraha kim karoti ityeva karaniyam. Kevalam kim karoti iti na karaniyam. Kartrupada sahitam kriyapadam uddishya prashna karaniyah. Kumbhakaraha kim karoti. Tada uttaram yat labhyate. Whatever answer we get when we ask that kind of a question, that answer which will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti is called Karma Padam. So in this sentence, Ghatam is the Karma Padam. Now if we come to the Kriya Padam, Kriya Bodhakaha Shabdaha Kriya Padam. The word that indicates action is Kriya Padam. In the sentence Kumbhakaraha Ghatam Karoti, this Kriya Padam is following the Karta and it denotes action of doing the parts or making the parts. Karoti iti Kriya Padam. Tarhi Vakyasya Avayavaha Kartrusuchakam Padam Karta Bhavati Karma Vachakam Padam Karma Bhavati Kriya Padam Bhavati Kriya Bodhakaha Shabdaha. Kumbhakaraha Ghatam Karoti ityasmin Vakye Kumbhakaraha Karta Ghatam Karmapadam Karoti Kriyapadam. Kumbhakaraha Karta Ghatam Karmapadam Karoti Kriya. Idanim Abhyasan Kurmaha. Vakye Kartrupadam Karmapadam Kriyapadam cha Suchayata. Sukanya MB. Prathama Vakye Balaha Phalang Khadati.
Balaha is Kartupadam. Phalam is Karmapadam. Khadati is Kriyapadam.
Uttamam.
Sita.
Vakyam Patatu Ekvaram.
Sita Pakam Karoti. Sita is Kartrupadam. Pakam is Karma Padam, Karoti is Kriya Padam. Vanaraha Malam Shipati. Vanaraha is Kartrupadam, Malam is Karma Padam, Shipati is Kriya Padam.
Dhanyavadaha. Sarayu Kannan.
Chhatra Lekhanim Krinati. Chhatra Kartrupadam, लेखनीं कर्मपदं क्रीणाति क्रियापदं बाला रामायणं पठति बाला कर्तृपदं रामायणं कर्मपदं पठति क्रियापदम्
उत्तमं तत्र यदा वयं एतादृशवाक्यानां विश्लेषणं कुर्मः तदा मध्ये प्रश्नं कुर्मः बालः किं खादति बालः फलं खादति सीता किं करोति सीता पाकं करोति वानरः कां क्षिपति मालां क्षिपति छात्रा कां क्रीणाति लेखनीं क्रीणाति बाला किं पठति रामायणं पठति कां किं कम् इति प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं यदा लभ्यते तत्पदं द्वितीयान्तं पदं तद्वितीयान्तं पदं कर्मपदम् इति उच्यते।